Today on the show, we're going to talk about this Tuffy table. This is, you need to do any camping, you know, you want to cook, you need a place to chop things. I don't know what you would do with it exactly, but whatever you want, need a flat surface for, they've got you covered. And the cool thing about this table is when Ford launched the Bronco, they partnered with companies like Tuffy to help design parts like this to make your Bronco even cooler. So I've got some thoughts and opinions about this thing, and I got one big WTF that was on me, not them. And let's get into this right now. One of the coolest things I like about this is all the MOLLE options that you have. So when you're not in use, you can you fold it up, and yeah, you've got options. Like I have a knife here right now. I've got just a little go bag there. I've got a little camping shovel right there, and I could put a lot more things on that, which we will in down the road when we actually take this thing going camping. But overall, this thing, I have to say, for the price of it, I think it's well worth it. Now, there's other manufacturers out there that do tables, and you can go crazy. You can spend almost up to $1,000 on some high-end just tables, which is ridiculous, and I don't think Tuffy wants that market. They want to make it affordable where you can go enjoy your beast of a Bronco. Now you can see it's got these nice latches on here, and this thing, it's not really going to rattle. It's not going to bother you. That's always a concern when you add parts like this to your Bronco is, well, I use it for the daily life, and I don't want to hear rattling from all the parts I've added, and luckily this has not done that. And once again, you can see all the little MOLLE spots here that you can add more stuff to it. And even like if you got, like, you could put your camping silverware in a little bag like this, some bag like this, maybe your spatulas or whatever, and then all your cooking utensils are right where you want them. Now, got these good little latches here, and let's pop these little latches and fold this table down. As you can see, I'm doing this one-handed, by the way. So slide it down, and obviously you can see the back end of your MOLLE. So if you want to put more bags in, it's actually pretty easy to install those. Those shouldn't get in your way if you have a stove or anything you put on top of this. It's not going to hurt it. It is supported by these nice metal cables right here. As you see here, they attach from here all the way to the framing of this thing, and it says Bronco on it, which is really cool. And I know we've had some friends over at a different channel. They put something behind this and made it like stand out. They put a color like trim piece back there, and that was really cool. Now, part of the thing though that with this table that you got to do that, you know, early on when this was the only table in town, you just did it, was drill. You have these little holes right here. Right here, you have to drill into the Bronco itself, and you can see the attachments. You can kind of see the attachments back there, and it hooks in. So there are hook pieces right there because there were pre-holes. There was holes that were already back there. You have a plastic trim piece that hides that when it's in factory form. But then you take and you drill in a couple spots, and it gives you these little nuts, these little insert nuts that you put in there, and good to go. Now, me being a silly guy that doesn't ever need help for anything, well, that gives you a nice template for this, and guess what? I still messed it up, and I misdrilled on one hole. This hole right here, you can see it's not attached, and well, I didn't do this install properly, and I will let you know that I didn't do this properly when, you know, there's thousands of people that have installed this thing and done it right. I was trying to do it basically by myself in a hurry, and don't be in a hurry when you install parts like this. But overall, this table has been very nice. It's nice to have a nice, whether you're going, maybe you're at the ball game and you're tailgating, whatever, you just have a nice table here. We've got our diabolical rack out here that we can slide. We've got all this flat space now for cooking or whatever, you know, your mixed drinks, whatever you want to do with this thing. And don't drink and drive, by the way. But you've got all this nice room now to do that with, and I like this thing quite a bit. I hope we get to go camping more with it so we can really try it out. But it looks like the powder coating's real nice on this thing, and it looks really durable, and I cannot say enough thank yous for Tuffy for sending us over to do a product review on this. So if you have a tabletop like this, and if it's the Tuffy brand, let us know. Let us know what you think about it. Do you have another brand out there? I know there's a bunch of different companies doing this, and they all seem to install just a little bit differently, which is cool. You can find the one that you're most comfortable installing yourself, and adventure in your Broncos. So in the comments below, let me know what you think. So whether it be two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, or this tabletop for my drive that I can cook and drive, I don't know, man. These puns just keep coming. This has been your All Terrain Nation. I'm your host, David Boyd, and we're out. Peace, everybody. Love y'all.